Supreme Court of India has sought clarifications from the Election Commission of India regarding the functioning of electronic voting machine. The court asked the ECI several questions about how EVM works. They wanted to know if the microcontroller used in the EVM could be reprogrammed. This happened while the Lok Sabha elections are moving into the second phase of voting on April 26. The Supreme Court was listening to a bunch of requests asking for full check of the vote counted in EVM using a voter variable paper audit trial, that's VVPAT paper slip. They had already decided to hold off on giving their final decision on April 18. During the proceeding, a bench comprising Justice Sanjiv Khanna and Dipankar Datta posed the following questions to the poll body. The first question that they asked that if the microcontroller installed in the control unit of EVMs or the VVPAT. The second question was if the microcontroller installed in the EVMs was a one-time programmable. The third was whether the control unit and the VVPAT are sealed and stored. And the fourth one was how many symbol loading units are available with the ECI. The Supreme Court also asked about the time limit for submitting election complaints and how long VVPAT slips should be kept. They pointed out that while the deadline for filing election complaint is 30 days, according to Section 81 of the Representation of People's Act 1951, it's actually 45 days. So they suggested that the period for retaining VVPAT slips should be extended accordingly. The petitioner, including the Association for Democratic Reform, said that the 97 crore registered voters in the country deserve a transparent electoral system, whether it includes the EVMs or not. However, the Supreme Court didn't agree with the idea of going back to the paper ballot to rebuild trust in the electoral process among ordinary citizens. They argued that machines provide a completely accurate result unless there's a human interference. The Election Commission of India said it's impossible to manipulate EVMs at any point. They stated that there had been 41,000 plus instances of random verification so far, and over 4 crore VVPAT slips have been compared with EVM results. For more such information, do follow India.com.